Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a link to a Google photo publicly. So, open Google Photos and now select the photo, video or album what you want to share. If you want to share photo or video from the Photos feed, just select them, then click Share and create link. And now you can copy this link and paste it anywhere, and everyone who have this link can view this content. If you want to share album, you need to go to Collections, Albums, then select the album what you want to share, click at the share icon and get a link. Create. And again, paste it, and anyone with this link can check this album. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.